What's going on? So today we will be turning ourselves into a mummy. I'm actually really excited for this one. The only downside of this is that I'm actually really fucking tired. I just finished editing the Frankenstein video. It's currently uploading to YouTube as we speak. And I am in pain because it's that lady problems. It's that time of the month. Wonderful. And I totally dead ass fell asleep unintentionally about an hour or two ago. Fucking tired. And I'm mad because I'm really excited to do this look and I don't really have the energy to do it. But I am going to act like I have the energy as much as freaking possible because that's what we do on here. Oh my gosh. I'm dying. Anyway, let me change real quick. Hey, we are back again, and I swear I am wearing a shirt. Okay, so mummy. So once again, I have a vision in my head on what I want to look like. I just don't know if we're gonna end up looking like what it looks like in my head. You know what I mean? So I'm winging it again, as per usual. I heard I don't have any pills either. Fuck. The last time I actually bought like a store-bought costume was when I was a senior in high school and I bought a mummy costume. I still have it. I used to think it was like the coolest costume I'd ever seen in my life, and I look at it now and I'm just like, yeah, that was trash, absolute trash. But at the time, the picture, if I can find it, I will post it right here. But I thought it was like so cool, and let you know, when you put it on, it looks nothing like what the picture looked like. I was very deeply deceived. It's so ugly. And then this, yeah, this like this does some random piece of fabric. We're gonna utilize this piece today, okay? So done. That's the look. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. I'm kidding. That's trash. Oh, I don't want to do this anymore. There we go. We've officially reached peak Trish level Halloween. There you go. I finally said it. I don't want to do this anymore. Mental breakdown Trish is usually how all these Halloween videos go. We are getting somewhere. Progress. It's only the 4th video. It's only number 4. Come on. Gorgeous, just help me. Okay, so I have gauze that I'm going to wrap the majority of myself in. So luckily, because I am so tired, I won't have to actually stay up super late doing makeup because, oh, and that's another plus, because I am so tired, I have some natural bags. And all we're gonna do is enhance those bags and look more tired, and then cover ourselves up with these gauze. They adhere to themselves, which is very fucking great because I need that right now. And yeah, I bought 3. It's the same type of gauze I use for my Kakashi cosplay. And then of course I'm going to go over them with like brown eyeshadow or whatever to dirty them up, because I want to look like I'm a mummy who like came up out of their damn casket or some shit, like, you know. Or what are the Egyptian things called? Esophagus? Those things? Yeah? Shut me up. I need to stop. Let me move on. I don't even have a fucking mirror to do the makeup in. I'm dumb. Lord forbid I ever be well prepared. I hate it here. I'm ready to be done with this, and I haven't even started yet. Oh. Okay, ooh, did not think about the mouth portion. So should I like I guess like that? I kind of feel like I want to cover an eye. Is that wise though? I have no idea. This is a very bad idea. What the fuck am I doing? I don't know. Wait, I need scissors. I feel like an idiot. Yo, I really don't know what I'm doing. Wait, oh, I can stick that bit under our wig. That's a little tight. That's a little tight. Right there. Okay. Do that. You lift your bangs up. Okay. Oh no! Oh no! It's okay. It's okay. No. I don't know anymore. I'm pulling too tight. What the hell is going on? Yeah, we're getting somewhere. Ugh, y'all get weird Trish today. Y'all get weird Trish. I'm sorry. I mean, it's not like I'm not always weird anyway, but like, I feel like I'm just being extra weird for no reason. But it's because I'm tired. Ending up looking like Zach a little bit. I could do a cosplay of Zach now. Someone give me a fucking scythe. Seriously, someone give me a scythe. I had the opportunity to cosplay a serial killer. Oh my gosh. I want minimum effort. You should see me in a crown. I don't know why, but that was just in my head. Not to mention, I also have a pretty dope ass crown in my Amazon wish list that I would love to use for Bakugo. I'm shamelessly plugging that right now. My Amazon wish list will be linked below. Everything's fine. Totally fine. 100% fine. Fine as fuck. Absolutely. Absolutely not. Out with the old, in with the new. Goodbye clouds of gray, hello skies of blue. A dip in the pool, a trip to the spa, and the days in my shades, the whole world according to moi. Iced tea imported from England, towels imported from Spain, lifeguards imported from Turkey, and turkey imported from Maine. We're gonna relax and renew. You go do. She wants fabulous, that is her simple request. All things fabulous, bigger and better and best. I need something inspiring to help me get along. I need a little fabulous, is that so wrong? Someone stop me from singing High School Musical. I will sing the whole damn thing. Okay, so I went ahead and like did the hairspray thing and like wrapped myself off camera while I fixed my makeup mistake. Now I'm just doing this real quick, dirtying myself up. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys like this video. I really do hope so. This was all over the place. I did it. It's not even all that extravagant. I feel like I'm slacking this year a lot, so I'm sorry, but I really do hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, just get off my channel. If you want more content like this, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications to know when I upload. I upload every week, and I hope to see you creeps next time.